Yes, the title is real. You can change your font to any font in any Samsung Galaxy device, on any OneUI build, any Android version. Yes! Hi there pros, my name is Bro, and yes, you heard that right. Today I'm gonna show you how to change the system font to one of your liking on any Samsung Galaxy device. This method is gonna work for all Android versions. I can confirm that for you. Hey, does it work on your device?
Who are you? Stop calling me.
No, jokes aside, as an example, I'm gonna take Google Sans and I'm gonna install it in my device. So let's get into it. Well, before starting, I need you to be signed in into the Samsung account in your device. If you don't have one, go sign up and sign into your device. Okay, now first thing you need to do is go to Play Store and download zFont 3. Install it. Okay, after installing, open it. Give it the permissions it needs. And agree. Now, what you need to do first is download the font you want to apply. It can be a TTF, OTF, or whatever font extensions are there. You can install any font from Google, so don't worry about that. I will give the links of these 3 fonts because I know these are the most searched ones. So, after installing these into directory, it doesn't matter, I installed it in download. Open zFont 3. Go to dashboard. Go to monotype fonts. And then I need you to go to font number 246 if I'm correct. As you can see, circle rounded font. Click that. Click it again. And it will say install. Install it. Now that it is installed, tap on change font. And select the new font, circle rounded. Okay, now the new font has been applied. What you need to do now is go to settings, add settings, go to accounts and backup, backup data, deselect all, and select only settings, backup. What this does is it backups the settings, including the font you just applied. Now, when we are restoring the backup, we will trick Samsung into believing that it's applying again this font, but it will be applying our font. So, done. What you do now is you go to display, font size and style, and change the font to the default one. Now, at zFont 3, go back, go to local, click this button, AA. Go to where you have installed your fonts. In this case, I will be installing Google Sans. Enable that. OK. Click Apply. OneUI #all. It will also give here the instructions. You click Install Google Sans. OK. Now click it again and click install. Now that it is installed, don't apply it. Go to settings, go again to accounts and backup, and click restore data. Okay, blackout is over, Wi-Fi is back. Restore data, deselect all, select settings only, and restore. Ta-da! Done. Don't delete the backup data. And as you can see, I'm using Google Sans. Let me give you a closer look. So you can see I'm using Google Sans. Now why I kept the backup data is because I can change the font anytime I want. So let's go back and set it again to the default font. Default. Go to zFont 3. I go to the folder where I have downloaded my fonts. And let's click San Francisco iOS font. OK. You see, when it is another file, it will just convert, and it will convert it to a TTF font. So I will just do that. Okay, I converted it. Now I open in zFont. As you can see, apply. Again, OneUI. Install. Now do the same thing. Go to settings, add accounts and backup, restore. As you can see now, I have the iOS font. Nice, right? Well, that's all. This method is gonna work in all Android versions, so enjoy! Well, that was interesting. Now you can put all those ugly fonts in your phone. Please don't. I hope this video helped you. If you did, please leave a like. If you didn't, leave a comment below and I will try to help you. And subscribe to become a pro. Bye!